Hello there. I guess I'm tired of saying hello there. Today I brought you a very simple recipe. It's not gonna take us any time. It's gonna be really quick, and it's basically a shortbread biscuit. Or no, wait, we're in the US. Just a shortbread. They call them shortbread cookies. I don't know, just a shortbread. It's very simple, very easy, and let's roll the intro and start it. Let's cook American food. But it's not American food. Well, it's not American food. Alright, just for the honesty, this is not my recipe, but I modify it and I added the chocolate to it. Because the original recipe didn't have it and I really like my stuff with chocolate. Alright, let's get started with it. Use 10 tablespoons of room temperature butter, unsalted butter preferably, and put it in your stand mixer. If you don't have a stand mixer, it's gonna be a really long day for you. And then use this attachment I'm using because I don't know what they call it and I'm not gonna Google it and try to find out. Alright, and after you throw it in your stand mixer, add half a cup of powdered sugar, the sugar that is really fine and powdered, not the granular sugar. And add a half teaspoon of salt and a half teaspoon of vanilla extract and a half teaspoon of cocoa powder and a fourth teaspoon of espresso. They don't have X in espresso. And the espresso powder is gonna give a boost to your cacao flavor, so it's really good stuff. All the measurement down in the description if you didn't follow me. And then let it mix for 1 to 2 minutes until it became all cooperated and smooth and everything know each other and everything just with each other like a friends. And then add 180 grams of all-purpose flour. Just sift it in and then mix it a little bit. After 2 minutes of beating it in the stand mixer or until it gets homogeneous, take it out and start shaping it into long rectangle. Basically shape it to the way that you want your biscuit or your shortbread biscuit or your shortbread cookies to look like. I did it in this long rectangle because I like them to be a little bit longer. And then wrap it with a plastic wrap and let it sit in the fridge for an hour at least or until it's firm, because that will make your life way easier when you cut it. An hour later, get it out and start cutting it to the thickness you desire. And lay them all on your oven sheet. Make sure you oil it. If you don't want to oil it, just use a parchment sheet. That will work perfectly, way better than this. I didn't use one because I didn't have one. I just used a fork and I poked holes in them. You don't really need to do this. This is just for it to look pretty, but you totally don't have to do it. It's unnecessary. And then bake them at 350 degrees oven for 10 minutes. Rotate it midway, which means 5 minutes, and rotate the tray and then cook it for another 5 minutes and get it out and let it sit until it cools to room temperature, because if you try to take it out while it's hot, it's gonna break because it's really fragile. And it's really good with your tea, so enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you again in another video. Bye.